find the two square roots. The two square roots of 36. Solution. Now, we are going to divide using the rules of divisibility. Now, what number can go in 36 apart from 1? 36 is divisible by 2, so we use 2. 36 divided by 2, what do we have? We have 18. Now, what number can go again? 2. 18 divided by 2, what do we have? 9. What number will divide 9? The number that will divide 9 without any remainder, apart from 1, 3. 9 divided by 3, we have 3. What number will divide 3 again? 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. And this is what we are dealing with. This is what we need mainly. So it means that what? The square root of 36 is going to be what? Plus or minus. That's the first thing to write. Then you are going to pair same numbers together. Pairing same numbers together. Same numbers together using the principle of pairing. Take note of that. So I have 2 times 2 times what? What will I have? 3 times 3. So in this case, I will have plus or minus. This 2 times 2 is same thing as 2 raised power 2 times this 3 times 3 is same thing as what? 3 raised power what? 2. Because 1, 2. We are expressing them in index form. So this is plus or minus. By the time it is square, once you find the square root of these two square, the answer is the base, which is this 2. Times, look at 3 square. The answer is the base, which is this 3. So this is now plus or minus what? 2 times 3, 6. Because 6 times 6 also will give you 36. So the square root of 36 is plus or minus 6. So we can write this as 6 or minus 6. And we asked to find the two square root of 36. So we can now write, can now conclude that square root of 36 equals to 6 and minus 6.